We are going to Mobile International Dragway to go check out some races. This should be good. So right now it looks like they're still testing and cleaning right now. Hopefully see some action here soon. Good morning, everybody. Man, we had a little incident at the track last weekend and we had to leave early, but this morning we taking the car back to TMS. We got a little fuel issue, so we're gonna go get that right, go see TJ and get it taken care of. I ain't gonna say too much, man, but all I'm gonna say is check the car out before you buy it. Don't take nobody's word, you know what I'm saying? we got a couple issues that probably could have been avoided, and I could have bought a different car, but I'm glad I didn't, though, for real. I love Sadie, that's my baby, and just running into issues like this is giving me an opportunity to put my own spin on the motor like I've already been doing, but more in depth. Yeah, let me just show y'all. So, just something slight, you know what I'm saying? Turned out that I had a leaky injector. So, yeah, it was causing fuel to come out of my exhaust pipe. And I didn't know that's what it was when we left the track, or when we were at the track. So, I parked it at the house. But it's just scary to think about that, like, bruh, like the way my pipes are turned down right past the fuel tank in the back there, like, I guess there's like a, I don't know what to call it, what the proper name for it is, but it's like a pressure release tube. And like, if that would have happened to, you know what I'm saying, connect with the heat, I don't know, bro. I was not trying to have my car burned down in flames, dog. No, sir. So, while it's in the shop getting that fixed, we're gonna go ahead and I'm getting, hold on, let me just show y'all real quick. I'm ugly as fuck. But y'all see it, man. We ain't playing no games with Sadie, dog. Man, we ain't even gonna do that, bro. We ain't even gonna do that. But anyway, while it's in the shop, I'm gonna give y'all a little summary right quick, right? So, going with a QA1 suspension, you know what I'm saying? We're going with a 9-inch rear end assembly, quick performance, you know what I'm saying? 4-inch aluminum, 1350 U-joint drive shaft for the tranny, you know what I'm saying? What else we got? We gotta remove the engine from the chassis, clean it up, reseal long block. You know, some new internals, but I'm not going into detail about that neither. You know what I'm saying? But what else? Dyno tune for the first time. Gotta get a set of stock so it'll stay on that dyno this time. Fluids. A vibrant 50-foot roll of 8AN supply hose, you know, like the braided, I think that's what it is, the braided, what's it called, fuel pressure regulator kit, exhaust fabrication, extended exhaust dumps. We're gonna move them pipes backwards, not pointing at the freaking fuel pump, and some other stuff that I ain't gonna tell y'all, but yeah, that's what we doing. So, as y'all know, I forgot to order my steering wheel whenever I ordered the new wheels. So, yes, sir. I don't know, this thing look huge though compared to the one that's in there right now. But shout out to Savini, y'all have been good to me. But I will say this, y'all need to have some different what do you call this? Steering wheel material, because y'all don't have my peanut butter tan, and there's a lot of people out there with peanut butter tan, not light tan, not that I don't even know what to call that, dark tan, but it looks brown. So yep, I'm gonna have to replace this, custom wrap that part, you know what I mean? But it's all good, that shouldn't be much at all. but I'm excited because definitely went to cruising the coast with new wheels, old steering wheel, and one center cap, y'all, because I had to send in my center cap for them to match up with the gold. So, but it's all good. I'm glad that they care enough to, you know, actually, you know, match up and get everything right for the type of money that we spend on these wheels. So, you know, next vlog I'm gonna be doing the Banshee Part 2. Looks like a whole different four-wheeler right now, and I'm excited. But I gotta put a new radiator on there because the one that's on there right now looks dingy, and I really want to give it a good coolant flushing, get all whatever them sediments and whatnot up out of there. So I appreciate y'all like, comment, and subscribe. But with your boy, you know, we halfway there to monetizing, and I wouldn't be able to do it without y'all. I won't be able to do it without y'all. So if you will, show your boy some love. You know what I mean? And yeah, we're gonna get to the real nitty gritty of the channel, and that is Sadie's rebuild. I'm real excited. I'm finna give y'all some real good content. I really was just the first like 6 videos. I'm trying to learn my camera, get better at editing, and now that I'm getting into the juicy stuff, I'm gonna give y'all what y'all wanna see. So again, the Life is A signing out. Appreciate y'all. I love y'all.